we have to remove symbols of grouping and simplify. We have here parentheses and brackets. So first we have to go to the parentheses, check if we can do something in the parentheses. We have x plus 2y, 2x minus y, 2x plus y, x minus 2y. We have different terms, so we cannot do anything in the parentheses, so we will take down the parentheses only. So let me copy brackets. Before parentheses, when we don't have sign, is positive. When we have positive sign, we have to just copy whatever we have inside. So x plus 2y. Next, we have negative sign before parentheses. So we have to change the signs every term in the parentheses. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So we have positive, so now will be negative 2x, negative, so will be now positive y. In other words, negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. Close brackets. And the same we will do in the second brackets. First, we will take down the parentheses. Before parentheses, we don't have sign, so it means it's positive sign. When we have positive sign, we just take down the parentheses and copy whatever we have inside. Next, we have negative signs. It means we have to change the sign every term in the parentheses. So when we don't have sign, it's positive. So now will be negative x, and now will be positive 2y. In other words, we have negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive, and close brackets. Now we have to check if we have the like terms in parentheses. We have like 1x, negative 2x, and what else we have? 2y and 1y. In the first bracket, so we copy brackets, and now we will combine the like terms. Positive sign, when we don't have sign, is positive, and negative, so we have to keep the sign of a greater number. So we have negative 2, so we keep negative sign. 2 minus 1 is 1, and we rewrite x. And we have positive 2y and positive 1y. Both terms are positive, so we keep positive sign, and we have to just add 2 plus 1 as 3, and y we have to copy. In the second brackets, we have also the like terms. We have 2x and negative 1x, invisible 1 we have when we don't have coefficient, and we have y and 2y, invisible 1. So now, first we have 2x and negative 1x. We have different sign before these two terms. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So we keep always the sign of a greater number. 2 is greater than 1, so we have positive sign. And now we have to just subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we have to copy x. Next, we have 1y and 2y, both terms positive, so we keep positive sign. And now we have to add coefficients. 1 plus 2 is 3. And we will copy y. So now, what first I will do? Because we have 1 before x, so we can rewrite that this is negative x plus 3y. And in the second bracket, we have 1x, and positive sign we don't have to write, so we have x plus 3y. Close brackets. Next, because we have x, 3y, x, 3y, and we have, when we don't have sign, so here is multiplication between these two brackets. If I factorize negative sign, I will have formula for difference of two perfect squares. So let me first factorize negative sign from the first brackets. Negative sign I will put before brackets, and inside I will have now x, positive x, because negative times positive give me negative, what I have at the beginning. And now because I have here positive, so now will be negative 3y. Let's check. Negative times positive is negative. Everything is correct. Negative and negative is positive. So let me copy the second bracket. We don't have to write positive sign, So we will have negative sign before brackets, and inside we have x minus 3y, close brackets, and in the second bracket we have x plus 3y. We see that we have, like I said, the same terms and different sign. So we can use formula for difference of two perfect squares when we have a minus b times a plus b. This is equal a squared minus b squared. In our example, a is equal x and b is equal 3y. So instead of with two parentheses, we can write this. So we will substitute the multiplication of these two brackets. So let me copy. Negative sign we have to copy. And now, because we have this negative sign, so we have to put our solution in parentheses. A squared minus b squared. A is x, so we have x to second power minus b is 3y, so we have 3y to second power. Close parentheses. Because we have parentheses, so I should put brackets outside. So this is equal, negative sign we have to copy, and now in brackets we will have x squared minus 3y to second power. It means we have to take 3 to second power and y to second power. So 3 to second power, y to second power, cross brackets. So this is equal, negative sign we have to copy, and we have x squared minus 3 to second power is 9, and y squared we have to copy. And next, because we have negative sign before parentheses, inside brackets we cannot do anything, and we have negative sign before these brackets, so it means we have to change every sign in brackets to opposite. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So now we will be negative x squared, and this negative we have, so now will be positive 9y squared. First, we will write positive terms, so we have 9y squared and we have negative x squared. This is my solution.